How to use AI to create pivot tables and analyze trends. Follow my instructions. In 2025, AI tools make it incredibly easy to create pivot tables and analyze trends, even if you're not great with formulas. In Google Sheets, use Duet AI to instantly generate pivot tables. Just click on Help Me Analyze, or use natural language like create a pivot table showing sales by product and month. The AI reads your data and builds the table. No dragging, no setup. In Microsoft Excel, use Excel Copilot, which is part of Microsoft 365. You can type plain language prompts like show revenue by category per quarter with totals, and Copilot creates the pivot table automatically. It even explains what the table means and offers trend summaries, like increases, decreases, or seasonality in real time. If you want visual analysis, ask the AI to add a pivot chart, like a bar or line chart, to show changes over time. This makes your data easier to understand and perfect for reporting. Whether you're working in Sheets or Excel, AI now handles the technical parts of pivot tables and gives you instant business insights. No formulas, no stress. Thanks for watching.